Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to put a round box inside a bobo balloon. I will teach you the rules and techniques for making such compositions. So let's get started. The size of the box is 10 by 15 centimeters. To begin with, I will tightly attach a fishing line to the box. The box has a certain weight, so it must be securely fastened. One of the most reliable ways to attach a fishing line is to take a piece of Scotch tape, put hot glue on it, and then put the fishing line and only after that glue the tape to the lid of the box. Look, the fishing line holds the box very securely. A box of this size is better placed in a 24-inch bobo balloon. First, I stretch the seam of the bobo balloon. I stretch it very well every 2 centimeters. Then I stretch the balloon horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. Now I inflate the balloon, but I inflate it a little smaller than its factory size. I blow off the balloon, but not completely. Now I'm going to cut off this part of the balloon. I cut a thin strip 35 centimeters long along the seam. Pull apart the two halves of the balloon and try them on the box. If it seems to you that the incision is too small, you can cut a little more on both sides. Now wrap the neck of the bobo balloon on the back side and put the fishing line into it. Put the balloon on the box and do not forget to hold the fishing line so that it does not fall inside. Now I slowly and very carefully put the balloon seams together. Look, the two sides are neatly aligned together, and now I'm going to seal this part with sealant. I have mode number 2 set on the sealer. This is quite enough for the perfect soldering of bobo balloons. When soldering, step back 1 centimeter from the seam. Each segment that you solder should overlap with the previous one. In this case, there will be no holes. Seal the balloon slowly, carefully, and slowly. After sealing, the balloon has a lot of segments, but you don't have to worry about it. When the balloon is inflated, it will be perfectly symmetrical. Now, holding on to the fishing line, inflate bobo balloon. I inflated the balloon to a size of 20 inches. That's quite enough. After inflating, I hold the neck of the balloon tightly and adjust the size of the fishing line. After that, I twist the balloon, pull out my throat and make a knot. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that part of the fishing line is much shorter than the throat of a bobo balloon. When I pull the balloon's throat out, I don't pull the line. I make 2 notes in total. The air won't come out of the balloon, that's for sure. As a stand, I use a lid from round hat boxes with a diameter of 12 centimeters. I glued a piece of double Scotch tape to the center of the box on the back side. Then I measure out the required amount of red satin ribbon, find the middle of the ribbon and glue it to the box. I put the balloon on and tie the ribbons around the bobo balloon knot. I need to fasten a large airy bow on top. I posted a link on how to make such a gorgeous bow. To keep the bow tight, I will make a clever device out of a balloon. I'm inflating a 12-inch balloon with 3 pumps. I make a knot at the very end of the balloon, and then I make 4 bubbles out of this balloon. I attach this cluster to a bobo balloon and then attach a bow to it. The composition is ready, light, durable, stable, and very beautiful. Thank you for watching us.